Happy Tuesday. We have trial updates, week two of the fight between the two worst people that we know, Sam Altman and Elon Musk. Um, Week one was focused primarily on Musk's testimony. And depending on how you read it, it came across as very him. Now, I'm not a legal scholar, so I am not going to analyze it from that, but the dynamics at play here, always fascinating. Elon Musk, we know he has a metric crap ton of money. And the way he was talking, certainly came across that way. His argument that he was defrauded, that is what he is alleging, and that OpenAI never intended to maintain its for-profit status. And in his initial argument, um, he talked a lot about the destruction of humanity, which the judge was not interested in having. And as he was repeating that line, the judge apparently told him, "You are not a lawyer," to which he replied, "I took a Law 101 class." Again, a very Elon response. And when you've got that much money, feel like you can do anything you want. But it would have been interesting to see the back and forth between a judge and essentially a judge telling the richest person on the planet, "Hey, be quiet. We don't need that here." As we get into week two, Greg Brockman, who is the president of OpenAI, is taking the stand. And Musk is alleging that his journal entries validate his claims. The argument is on the contrary, of course, with OpenAI, who is now getting their chance to tell their side of things as it relates to that. Sam Altman has not taken the stand yet. That is supposed to happen in the coming weeks. So when that does, that is going to be the direct counterbalance to what Elon said in week one. And again, this is a jury trial, so there were people selected who are ultimately going to decide what ultimately is going to be the outcome of this case. It is important. There's a lot of AI regulatory pieces that I think a lot of people do want, and this case um, could be a key towards that beginning to happen. Now, of course, if Elon wins, I wouldn't say he's going to do anything good with that newfound power, but if we had to pick between the two, in my opinion, the lesser of the evils right now would be for Elon to win. But after that first week, not feeling great about those odds. But again, we got time. So that is what we've got for it. I will probably chime in again next week after the testimony from the current president of OpenAI, Greg Brockman. So yeah, that's what we got. Like, subscribe, engage. We'll get you in the next one.